Go.
Oh, you're good. You're wild.
The good times go by way too fast.
1 minute you're in middle school.
The next year at your high school graduation.
Everybody's always asking me, what are you going to do after you graduate?
What are you gonna be when you grow up?
Yeah, I got so tired of hearing that.
And parents' expectations are so high.
Yeah, their stress is stressing me out.
And they keep telling us that we have no idea how much it costs to live in this world.
All I want is my own little place.
In my own car, with insurance.
And benefits?
My own vacation.
So how much does it all cost?
In North Central Indiana, you're going to need to earn at least $20,000 per year to get by with just the basics. That does not include vacations.
I need that vacation.
So, what are your plans to earn that kind of money?
Fast food?
It's tough to make a career on minimum wage.
Living on your parents' couch?
No.
Any other options?
Like military?
Well, you could see the world, but it's a serious time commitment.
College?
I don't want to go to college right now. I want to live my life.
Yeah, but with college you could get a lot of debt.
Community college?
That can take less time, and the jobs are there for the people with the 1 and 2 year degrees.
So, what do you think about going into advanced manufacturing?
Well, I kind of knew what I wanted to do. I discovered welding when I was 6, and I love making sparks fly.
I'm working on a management track.
Aren't most factories dangerous, dark, and dirty?
I interned at Beck's. It's clean, bright, and safe.
But you can't make a lot of money in manufacturing, can you?
Are you kidding? A lot of jobs in advanced manufacturing start in the $40,000 range and offer free training.
No cost to you.
Or your parents.
Isn't it just like manual labor or something?
No, there's a lot of technical jobs. I worked a lot when I did an internship at FCA.
There are thousands of good-paying advanced manufacturing jobs in Indiana right now. Employers are always looking to promote well-trained, hard-working employees.
How high-tech can it be?
Well, I'm studying biomedical engineering.
Don't you need special training?
There's grant money out there to help pay for training, and some employers even pay for it.
But if you don't know what to do, how are you going to make $20,000 a year to live on?
Networking, because in the real world, it's not who you know, but who knows you.
There are lots of things you can do. Just get started.
Talk to your school's industrial technology teacher.
Use your career class to do research on good-paying jobs.
Visit a local manufacturer.
Take dual credit courses in high school in advanced manufacturing.
Or visit and talk with someone at Ivy Tech.
I've had 3 internships and 1 turned into a full-time job at Delphi Automotive.
I had a great experience at my internship at Beck's.
Aren't people who work at factories mostly guys?
At my first internship, I built a wire harness because my hands are smaller.
Employers don't see gender, ethnicity, or color. They just want the right person for the job.
The most important thing is that you show up for your job on time, ready to work.
So, if you had to come up with a description of an advanced manufacturing job, what would it include?
Team problem solvers.
If you like to play with computers.
Like to tinker.
If you like to make things work.
Good communication skills.
Do you want to be part of something bigger than yourself?
There are a number of businesses that partner with high schools and Ivy Tech in the region that offer opportunities in internships and apprenticeships.
Small Parts in Logansport.
FCA in Kokomo and Tipton.
Andy Mark Robotics in Kokomo.
Park 100 Foods in Tipton.
Haynes International in Kokomo.
Cotronics in Peru.
Beck's Superior Hybrids in Atlanta.
LMC Work Holding in Logansport.
So you get this, right? Talk to students. Talk to your guidance counselor. Talk to your industrial technical teacher. Start your career pathway in high school by taking dual credit advanced manufacturing classes, earning a nationally recognized industrial certification, and joining the workforce after graduation, or continuing your education in pursuit of an associate's or bachelor's degree related to manufacturing. And depending on where you stop, your earnings keep growing from $40,000 to $70,000 to $90,000 a year. Just get started.
Sounds like a great vacation for me.
To find out more, visit the ITEP website at ivytech.edu/kokomo/13966.html.
But time waits for no one.
Knowledge.
Skills.
Power.
Ready, set, go! Join us. Be part of the solution.